Good morning, traders. My name is Pete, and this is Trading Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. I haven't been sharing videos for a long time because I was just a little bit busy, but today I'm here, and as some of you asked me, I want to speak about footprint chart and how I want to try to explain to you how to turn a trading view in a semi-professional trading platform. Okay, but let me first invite you to join in my Discord group, in which I share every day my trading ideas. Subscribe and join this YouTube channel. Let me know what you think about this video using the comment section below. I'm on Instagram, even if I don't post a lot of things, but you can follow me here and there, and obviously on TradingView, which I share every Monday, multi-time frame overview and some good trading ideas in a middle and long term perspective. I want to focus just on Discord. It's completely free, guys, and you can see all my ideas for intraday and swing trading on forex and on indices as well. A lot of educational content, not only my educational content, also something interesting that I find on the internet, group mentorship, and all my trading journal with a back test. As you can see here, this is September, and you can find all my trades, okay, that I post, that I share on this group. You can see the results in a total transparent way, and above all, you can take a look to the back test, so you have an historical back testing completely free. Okay, I hope you appreciate this kind of content. So I invite you to join my Discord group. And so what about today's video? So basically, this, as you can see, is a footprint chart, okay, on TradingView. Okay, and I want to share how I do this and why this kind of tools could be enough, okay, for you to trade futures and CFD. But first of all, let me do a quick premise. I do not use footprint chart on TradingView. Okay, that's the reason why I told you that TradingView could be a semi-professional trading platform. For the simple reason, because until we don't have centralized data feed for also in TradingView, okay, basically all you can see could be quite similar to the real volumes that you can find on the on a professional platform, but never could be the same, okay, until right now. So there isn't any official tool in TradingView that can that you can use, okay, in spite of all the professional trading platform. So this is the premise I want to tell you. I do not use the footprint chart on TradingView just because I use a professional platform, and if you don't want to spend a lot of your money, but this is not spend money, but spend money, this is investing your money, okay? On my opinion, $100 or $150 invested on this kind of professional trading tools and trading platform, it's a very good thing. Okay, by the way, if we try to describe what a trader had to invest in 1 month, so we don't talk about the trading station, obviously, and all the fees for other stuff. I mean, only for the trading platform, okay. First of all, it must have centralized data feed, okay. Even if you trade only Forex, okay, you have to take a look to futures. So all the volumes, okay, the real volumes that are really playing the market in that moment, okay. So to do that, you have to subscribe to a centralized data feed. There are so many. Well, I don't know if so many, but you can use CQB, bar chart. Well, no, I don't remember. I don't remember everything. Okay, so this is the first subscription. If you you do a prop firm with a future prop firm, so for example, to trade or top step, this data is inside the monthly feed that they ask. Well, to be honest, I don't remember if it's top step when you became founder trader. I don't know if this the monthly fee is also for the data feed. I don't remember, but at the beginning for the valuation, for the challenge, it is. So anyway, top step. Okay, so basically this kind of data costs about $100 per month. Okay, so the second thing is the trading platform. Okay, there are so many trading platforms, Sierra Chart, Ninja Trader, Motive Wave. Now I don't remember, but there are so many. Okay, Volsys. I don't remember, but okay, there are so many platforms that you can use. I have been using Ninja Trader for about 2-3 years, just because probably it's the cheapest one, even if the annual subscription or it's a lifetime subscription, I don't remember. But anyway, I do use Motivway right by now, which is I don't know if it's the best one, okay, but it's the best one for the Mac users like me, and so I don't want to switch my ET mood and my ET thinking just for trading. Okay, so I prefer to use a trading platform only for that can be used for Mac users. But is very good. I like so much. Okay. Well, the support is not really good, to be honest. But the platform itself is really, really good. Okay, so the cost is about can go from $30 to $100. Okay, more or less. Okay, so basically these are the two big costs that you have to supply. Okay, if you want to trade as professional traders. Okay, if you use only TradingView or only MetaTrader 4 or 5, on my opinion, you miss lot of data. Okay, lots of data that can really make the difference. Okay, so anyway, you see, more or less $200 per month. Okay, to have this kind of tools. Obviously, for the data feed, there's no solution. I mean, you must have, and the only solution is make a funded challenge. And so with the top step, my opinion, is the best one, and so you can easily you can find this data in the monthly free and for the second one, if you don't want to spend your money in a professional trading platform, but I suggest you to do, you can use TradingView in the way I tell you now, to try to replicate what a professional trading platform do. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is a TradingView subscription, and you cannot use the basic one because you need volume tools. Okay, so this one, sorry, the technicals here, all the volume profile right back here, all the indicators. These are very, fundamental. Okay, if you don't have footprint chart, if you don't have volume tools, you cannot do a volume analysis, a complete volume analysis. So without volume analysis, for my trading, for what I think, you cannot be profitable on the long term. Okay. So you don't need to do the complete subscription. the premium plan. Now I don't remember exactly the fee, but TradingView can be enough for the pro profile, pro subscription. It's enough, and it costs about $15. Okay, if you want to just a little bit improve your trading platform in terms of a visual point of view, okay, because you can have 4 charts in the same screen, the same window, you can use the premium TradingView Pro Plus. Okay, and the cost is exactly there. Is $30. Okay, more or less. I do use the Pro Plus, but can be enough also the Pro profile. Okay. Well, I don't. I'm not try to sponsor TradingView, but this is the beginning. Okay, so this is a good way to start and to backtest, to also to try to understand what really moved the market and the logic that is behind the market and basically the all the smart money concept. Okay, but in on a volume perspective, which is so much better, so much clearer. Okay, anyway, this is the costs scenario. So what about TradingView? This is what I see. Okay, with the Pro subscription, and as you can see, I have two templates. Okay, the first one is for scalping. Okay, in which we have the footprint chart, and we have two indicators that I want to display to you right by now. And the second one is an intraday chart that in which I switch from the 5 minute, also 1 minute time frame to the 4 hour time frame, and this is good for me to have the clear macro scenario of the instrument that I am analyzing right now. Okay, so I just want to explain this template. Okay, basically this template have lots of indicator which are not indicators, to be honest, but are just a way to simplify, okay, the everything. I mean, okay, in terms of smart money concept. And so the first indicator is this one, kill zones, which is this box. Okay, this blue box. Okay, basically this is the Asian session. So the reason by which I want this indicator is to easily identify the Asian session and to highlight the Asian high and the Asian low. Okay, why? Because in London, during London and US session, these are very important levels from which a lot of big movements usually start. Okay, a lot of smart money, a lot of market movers manipulation, a lot of institution manipulation take place when price touches these levels. Okay, the second indicator, market profile with TPO. Okay, and I show you my settings, and then you can stop the video and watch it. Basically, this is my view, so I want to highlight the TPO, the market profile, for every hour. Okay, because I want to be to make as clear as possible the variation of the value. Okay, so like here, for example, this is the value. Okay, and for the first 3 hours in a day. Okay, so what does it mean? That when price broke the zone, tens generally tends to re-enter the zone, okay, because market always look for a balance. Okay, so when price broke a zone, basically market is not balanced, and will try to find another balance. Okay, basically, and what does it mean? That it can return inside the zone or could look for a new zone. Okay, and the new zone is this one. Okay, in which we have so many TPO over here. Okay, so this is the reason why I use market profile with TPO, hourly market profile TPO. Okay, well, the other two indicators, to be honest, are not so useful to me because I'm used to highlight the zones with my my naked eye, but could be useful to you because they. So the first one is order blocks by Nephew Sam, and the super order block fair value gap and break of structural twos by Mako Chaku, and are very useful to easily identify the zone in which you have lots of orders, a lot of volumes basically, and where probably price will re-enter. Okay, will re-enter and to confirm that volumes. Okay, so this is very useful if you are like me, an intraday trader. If you wait for a retest, a retracement inside the volume area. Okay, so right by now, this are two potential volumes area in which for a quick scalp could be good, and this as well. This for all the intraday movement. Okay, because price now broke the Asian session on the high, re-enter, maybe grab the liquidity over there, look at the double bottoms right here, so probably price will will broke this level because below this level there is liquidity, and then to grab liquidity and then go up. We are on the Euro futures here. Okay, so basically this is the way you use these indicators. The last indicator is delta volume. Delta columns volume. There are so many delta volume columns pro. There are so many indicators that you can use. I find this quite good, and these are all my settings, but you can choose. You can build your own. It depends on your kind of strategy, what you are looking for. Okay, so basically this is quite useful to see the strong momentum candles. Okay, so where there is a peak of volume. Okay, and basically when there is a peak of volumes, usually is before an inversion. Okay, or during a breakout. So for example, here we have strong volume, here selling volume, bearish volume. Okay, right here, so strong candle, then selling pressure became low, okay, and then we have a strong buying pressure with this candle, okay, this big wick. So what does it mean? That inside here, sorry, my connection is very slow today. Inside here, there is something good for me in terms of volumes, in terms of bullish volumes. Where can I see this pressure? In the other template, which is this one, which is the footprint. Okay, so there are several indicators on the footprint chart, for a footprint chart on TradingView, but as I told you, nothing to do. I mean, none of one is an official TradingView indicator. Okay, so I use the easy footprint, and this is my. These are my settings. Okay, and as you can see, you have to adapt the settings on the instrument, just because it changed the tick size. For example, on Nasdaq, I use the 5 size bar, and for Euro future I use 1 size. It depends also on I mean, the time that you are trading after US opening. You have to increase tick size, just because there are so many volumes here, so you don't want to get all your chart completely fooled by numbers. Anyway, try to find your right settings. The second indicator is volume statistics, and I just want to tell you volume stats. I just want to tell you exactly this one, okay, by the market W something, and this is quite good because it shows you the delta volume. So how volume is changing. This probably is the most important data that you have. The total volume. So here, obviously, the total volume per single candle. The cumulative one. Okay. So in terms of volume, how volume develop, okay, is developing candle after candle, and then volume up and volume down on a percentage. Okay. So these are all good data that you need, in particular delta volume and the cumulative delta volume. Well, are all important, but I use delta volumes. Okay, so when I see price reaching an important level, like Asian session, like liquidity pool, something like that, I just want to see a strong. If I want to go buy, I just want to see a strong movement down with a strong delta, with a strong negative delta, and then a change of POC, which is the yellow border box here, a change of POC like this. Okay. So negative delta, strong negative delta, strong bullish delta, and retest where there are volumes, okay, inside this impulse, okay. And so I go along here. This basically is the easiest and one of the most profitable strategy to use for scalp. Okay. Anyway, the last indicator is a cumulative delta. Well, there are so many cumulative delta indicators on TradingView. I suggest to use this one. Well, I suggest to use the one in which you have a normal candles, okay, with wicks, so no the Ikenashi candles, just because the tails on the cumulative delta are very important, okay, just because it gives you a confirmation that, for example, this candle, first we have a strong movement down, and then when this tail means that in some moment, in some price levels, okay, a strong bullish volumes occurs, okay. So from this candle, I understand that the buyers are trying to enter the market, okay. And as you can see, after this candle, we have a reversal or something quite similar to a reversal. Okay, so like here, you have a strong delta volume. Okay, so strong delta volume from here. Okay, delta volume is decreasing. So this is the first bullish volume, and then another one delta volume, strong one, because you have from 50 to minus 22, so a strong delta volume on the negative side, so liquidity route, and then another strong bullish volumes, 1, 2, okay, candles. So what does it mean? That in this zone, someone is trapped. Okay, so there are a lot of sellers that are being trapped here. So I just wait a retest to go long. Okay, well, this is only an example. I don't know if this is a good zone. Okay, but this is something that that bring to my mind right here, and as I saw this kind of pattern. Okay. The last thing I want to tell you is another reason, because I told you from the beginning that this is a semi-professional platform. Is because if if you accidentally or not accidentally, you change your time frame, you change your footprint settings or volume statistic settings, or you just switch instruments, okay, you are going to lose everything, okay. All datas. Let me show you an example if you want. Now I switch instrument, and we're going to open S&P, for example. As you can see, everything disappear, okay, and the indicator starts again to collect all data. Okay, this is not an indicator. This is a basic setting of TradingView. That's the reason why TradingView could not be a professional platform right by now, like many others. And to be honest, it's a pity because in terms of graphics, in terms of interface, in terms of social sharing, for me is the best platform ever. Okay, TradingView. It's a very pity that it misses so many fundamental tool like the volume imprint, the footprint chart, and all the flows tools. Okay, it will be very good, and we hope and in the future we'll implement this kind of tools. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you join this content. Let me know what you think about using the comment section below, and please subscribe the channel. Let me advance in the YouTube algorithm because all this content are free, and I do this only because I don't want to trade only by myself. Just want to create my community and share everything with my community, because sharing is knowing. And subscribe, press the thumbs up button, press the bell. Same old stuff, I know, but it's very important to me, so just help me to grow my community. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.